Alright guys, this is the AI tool I'm telling you about. So just go to your Google and type in this particular AI tool. I'm not sure I can pronounce it very well, see, whatever it is. Just go ahead and type in the name and you can always get free credit. So when you click to log in, they're going to tell you to sign in either using your email address or your Google account. So this is what the interface look like. Okay, this is what the interface looks like. Very beautiful. You can go ahead and explore, check the work that they've done with this tool. Look at realistic fire. Very, very interesting. Look at the way the camera is zooming, okay, to the left, to the right, zoom. Very interesting. Look at this. Can you believe this was made with this tool? Amazing, amazing, amazing. The milk, very, very interesting. So like I was saying, you can always use this for free. Let me show you. Look, this was the video you saw in the intro, you see. This was made by this. And look at the prompt. Look at the prompt that the person used to generate this particular video. Let me show you another one so that you know that I didn't download it from anywhere. It was from this particular profile I got it to let you know that their work is very, very good and neat. So this is it. So for you to be able to use this tool, you come to the create button, click on create, and let me quickly show you some options that you have there. So you can either create videos from your image, and to do that, just come here, image to video, go on to upload your image, click on your image or upload button, then go ahead and select your image wherever you save them on your device. Another option we have is for you to type in some text. So text to video generation, that is also available on the platform. And let me also tell you that something. If you are using the free version, you will only have 3 uh, jobs on queue. You can't have more than 3. Look at this point. You can only have 3. Okay? It will not allow you to have more than 3. And if you want to have a paid version, you can do that. Before I forget, let me explain this. When you enter your prompt, okay, that is text to video, if you come to camera angle, you can select different camera angle. You see, this one is for the camera to move left circling. You understand? Cycling through the image you want. Look at different camera angles here. You can try them out to see the one that will be best for your project. And you can, like I said, you can do all this for free. You don't have to spend any money if you don't have the money to spend. Okay. Free things are always good. Although there are limitations anyway, because what they have for you, for a start, you have a lot of credit. I've forgotten the number of credit I got when I started, but on a daily basis, they give you 100 credits. So 100 credit, and per generation, you're going to spend 30 credit. Look at it here. If you enter your prompt, you come down, you click on generate, it generates your image for you. Look at this point, I have 3 images on queue already. Okay, so if you come down to subscribe, maybe you love the tool and you want to subscribe. Let me show you the different plans that they have so that you can know how to plan. This is the yearly plan. Okay, you can use the free version forever. Per year, you're not paying anything. They'll keep giving you daily credit. There'll be watermark on the image, but the watermark is just down. Okay, and you have 3 tags on queue per time. Then look at the yearly plan here. You have 100 and approximately $108. $108. If you divide it by 12, you see it's not that expensive, right? It's not up to $10. You understand? It's very, very cheap compared to some other tool out there. Let's now say you don't have money to pay for food, you can come for monthly. Okay, the monthly, look at even the monthly that's supposed to be very expensive, is just $10. Do you understand? So if you do the calculation of the yearly plan now, for instance, let me quickly bring up a calculator so that we see the calculation together. All right, look at what we are paying for every month. If you are paying $108, that means in a month you are paying $8 or approximately $9 per month. You see, it's cheap, right? Yeah, you agree with me that it's cheap. And look at this, really $10. So you're paying $9, $10. So you have a discount, or a discount of $1, sorry. So just go ahead and try it out and see what works for you. Let me just show you something. Somebody was, so have I used it before? Yes, I've used it to raise plenty images plenty videos. Let me show you this. Look at this lady. I want to show you the still picture. I want to put it side by side. She was not facing the piano. The image was not facing the piano, but this tool was so intelligent that made her face the piano. I loved it. This is so beautiful. And for free, guys, for free. Why not just give this a try right now? Look at it. Look at it. You know, yes, she's playing piano. Now, look at this other image. Look at it. So real. So the quality is high. After the AI are finished generating your image, this is what you're going to do. You're going to just hover around the image and look at this is the download button here. The download button, and you can tell the AI to recreate it. If you don't like it, tell it to recreate it. You can this, of course, you can share and the rest. Then these are other options. If the image is not good, if you want to delete it, the options are there. Quality design. Let me also show you something very amazing. There was a stream I uploaded inside, and it was a still picture. So I just told it, okay, go ahead. I generated this still picture from a different AI tool and brought it here. Now look at what happened. So a still picture, but this AI was so intelligent to know that, okay, this is water, this is stream that should flow. Look at it flowing so realistically. So you can go ahead and test run this and enjoy yourself. So I have plenty things I've done here for free for different projects I've executed. Now, let me also show you something very amazing. You see multitude like this. Some AI tool cannot manage this number of crowd. When you talk about multitude, you start see some distortion. But this one, you can hardly notice any distortion. That distortion, but it's difficult for you to notice it. So go ahead. If you like this video and you follow me this far, kindly subscribe to the channel and support me. That's the way you can support me, okay? And I seriously appreciate you subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much. And I'll keep giving you tips, that will help you grow as a content creator on YouTube. Thank you so much. See you in my next video and bye-bye. Peace.